Okay.
Okay, so I ride?
I'm gonna ride this way.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, Michelle.
Whoa! This thing goes right.
Come on, Michelle, let's go. This is really fun. We're gonna be riding around the block. Come on, Michelle. My friend's coming with me.
I'm so glad I'm coming with you.
I know, it's fun. She used to not be allowed to go around the block, but now she is.
I'm actually going around the block for the first time.
I know. She's going around the block for the first time. By herself. Yeah, I know, right? You're going by myself. You're going by yourself with me.
My mom says when I'm older, I'm allowed to go around the big block.
Cool.
Okay,
When she gets older, she's going to go around the big block with me. Yeah.
I have to talk to her when I get back, though. I have to tell her when I'm back.
Yeah, I have to do that too. Just got to tell her when she's... She's got to tell her mom when she's back. So, yeah. Let's go. This is actually pretty fun.
What?
Really, Uncle Steve, you're riding my small bike?
I have no clue how you could fit in that.
It's hard.
Pretty fun. Really?
We're racing. Okay. Stop right here.
That was super fun. Are we allowed to watch it?
Yeah. Okay.